Moses, and we back. I got another video for y'all. And look, the last couple days have been pretty crazy. I got some heat in the mail, and it's just all the money that I've been spending, I've been making money back. I sold my off-white ones, I made some good money, and I got some good pickups. And today, y'all are gonna see, I got a very hot pair of kicks that came in the mail this weekend. I honestly can't wait for y'all to see them. I can't wait for y'all to see everything I have in store, everything that's been coming in, and everything that's still coming in. I just feel like at this point, my channel's about to start picking up, and at the same time, I just got a lot more shoes and everything coming in, so I'm excited. I got a lot of clothes, shoes, anything you can think of I've got coming in. But anyways, I know y'all came here for this. Well, first, before I even get to the shoes, the giveaway. I am going to do a giveaway. I'm probably not going to announce it this video. It'll probably be later on in the week in another video, or maybe even next week, but I do have a giveaway coming soon for a pair of shoes. I'll give you guys details on how to enter and be a part of that pretty soon. But as I was saying before, let's get to these shoes. So this pair of shoes that I caught, one of my boys, he had them and he wasn't wearing them. He didn't want to wear them. So I was looking for this pair specifically, and I wasn't trying to spend like a lot of money, but at the same time, I wanted this pair of shoes. So when I saw them, and I was like, yo, I might have to cop because I wanted this pair really bad. But let me bring the box over here. So you see the box, it's a Jordan 1 box. And this pair of shoes, they released, and I think they were a pretty hype release. A lot of people may not think that, but also there were two versions of the shoe. I think I got the pair or the version that looks a lot better in my opinion. But anyways, let's get right into it. So I'm gonna turn the box around, and as y'all see, it's a Jordan 1 Union, size 10. You know your boy wears a size 10. But this shoe right here just looks crazy, and I can't wait to let you guys see it. I've already laced it up. I got the laces in that I want. And I think this shoe is going to be dope. I don't think I'm going to be reselling this shoe. I'll probably be wearing this shoe and beating it a lot. I'm not going to lie, but let's get into it. So open up the box and see, we got some StockX stuff. I guess this is where he got these from. We got the Union 1 paper. Some more stuff right here, but oh my goodness, these shoes they're so hard to me. Like I fuck with this shoe a lot. The colorway, just everything about the shoe. It's a 1. Ones are becoming one of my favorite retro Jordans, and this shoe is just sick. But let's go ahead and pull it out. We got the Union LA Storm Blue 1, and this shoe is just gas. Oh my goodness, this shoe is crazy. This shoe looks so good. But first, let's get into a couple of details. So you see we got the navy blue, and right here is nubuck, and then we got the tumbled leather, same with the red up here. We got the oversized wings logo. We got the Union LA tab right here, the yellow Union LA tab. We got the yellow like highlighted stitching right here. We got the oversized swoosh. A lot of people don't know that the swoosh on the Unions is oversized. It's like way bigger than a normal Jordan 1 swoosh. So if your Unions have a normal Jordan 1 swoosh, they're fake. But and again, we got some good leather right here. But the off-white tan bottoms, and this shoe is just ridiculously nice. And it comes with a couple pair of laces. You see, we also got the Jordan. This is this like the Jordan plastic tag. I don't know what it's really called, a hang tag, I guess. But if you look close, it says Union right there. But the shoe is just disgusting. Like I love this shoe so much, and excuse me. But it's just everything about the shoe on the inside. You see, you got the Union like patent insole. And it's just a great looking shoe. I love this shoe a lot. Like when I got the box, it came in the mail, and I opened it up and I was looking at them, I was just like, wow. Like I couldn't believe how hard these shoes are. And they came with 2 sets of laces. So the original laces that come with them are these cream and black laces. and then they come with these yellow laces. So one cool thing, actually, let me get the other shoe out for this. One cool thing, and you see inside of here is that little StockX name tag that they give out. I don't really know. I don't order from StockX. Y'all know that. But what I did was, you see, there's 2 sets of laces. They give you a second set of the cream to black laces. So one pair is this black, and then it fades into cream. Well, it doesn't fade, it like splits. I don't know where exactly that is at on these laces, but it splits and turns to a cream lace. So it's one lace, it's not 2 laces, it's one lace. And then the other set of cream laces they give you is cream to black, and the same deal is splits. So I think that's pretty cool. These laces look great, and this is probably how I'm going to keep them laced, because I think it looks nice, just in my opinion, especially with this colorway with the tan bottoms. I've seen a lot of people, they put the yellow laces in these, and I mean, it looks good because there's on the shoe, if you can't see it that much, I don't know if you can on the video, but like the inside is like this yellow right here. It's got like this yellow outlining on almost every part. So it makes the shoe really pop out. But the other version of these are the black toes, and the black toes look good too. Like, I wouldn't mind having both, but I just think that the blues look a lot better in my opinion. I don't know, you guys tell me. Leave a comment in the comment section which shoe you think looks better, the black toe or the storm blues. And also, while you're here, hit that like button. Leave a comment in the comment section saying whatever you want to. Now, I usually respond back. And also, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get monetized once again. But yeah, this is a great shoe. I'm really hyped about it. Like, this is going to be one shoe that I actually wear a lot. Like, I'll probably beat these shoes. And it's bad to say that because they do resell for a very high price, but I'm probably going to beat these shoes. And another thing that I like about this shoe is this is like what was on the off-white ones. This exposed like tongue edge, exposed foam. I don't really know what it's called. I know there's like a name for it, but I really like that on shoes. I think it's like it looks really aesthetically pleasing, which is one thing I like about whenever I'm getting shoes. I like the aesthetic look of it. But that's all I got for this video, man. I hope you all enjoyed it. I really love these shoes. I think they're super, super hard. I'm gonna wear them a lot. And once again, I got more stuff coming in. I got another pair, these came in Monday. I got another pair of shoes that came in yesterday. And I'm gonna make a video on those probably within the next couple days, probably like 4 or 5 days. I have another video ready for y'all, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button once again. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We're trying to make it to the top, get monetized, start making some money. That way I can actually really start affording shoes and be getting more shoes for you guys. But if there's a specific shoe that you may like that you think I should do the giveaway on, leave a comment in the comment section letting me know. And as always, it's your boy Joneses. I'm dripped out, as you can see, and I'm out.
I got a Glock that's bustin'. She get a fucking. I'm the shit walking this bitch like it's nothing. I'ma bite down and she love it. Fuck it, let's change the subject. Smoking on woods, it ain't rushing. Put grams in the air, I can't function. Put him on the plate, I get a lunch. Breaking her back at the bus. I get that shit.